There are rituals in life that are so simple, so seemingly ordinary, yet hold the key to profound transformation. What if I told you that just by putting your name in salt water, you could unlock an immense flow of blessings? It sounds almost too easy, but this practice, rooted in ancient wisdom, has helped countless individuals shift their energy and open doors they never thought possible. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So, why salt water? Why your name? And how does this practice align with a deeper, more mystical truth about the energy we put into the world? Stay with me as we explore how such a simple act could radically change the flow of blessings in your life. But before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can stay connected to powerful insights that lead you towards spiritual fulfillment. Salt has long held a sacred place across many cultures, and its significance in Buddhist teachings is profound. In ancient times, salt was more than a seasoning. It was a symbol of purification, healing, and prosperity. It was used by monks to cleanse spaces, remove negative energies, and bring balance. Salt has the natural ability to absorb and neutralize negativity, making it a powerful tool in rituals aimed at inviting blessings. In Buddhism, one of the keys to attaining a state of grace and abundance is to first cleanse the mind and the energies that surround us. This is where salt becomes incredibly powerful. Salt water, in particular, symbolizes the purification of not only physical space, but also the mental and spiritual realms. When you put your name in salt water, you're essentially purifying your own energy field, making room for positivity and blessings to flow in. Why your name? Your name carries powerful energy. It's more than just an identifier. It's a symbol of your essence, your karma, your past, present, and future. In Buddhist tradition, everything carries energy, and your name is no exception. It holds your vibrational signature, a unique frequency that represents your journey in this lifetime. When you place your name in salt water, what you're doing is inviting purification and blessing upon the entirety of your existence. You're signaling to the universe that you're ready to release the negativity, past traumas, and blockages that have been holding you back. This is an act of surrender, a willingness to let go of what no longer serves you and to receive the blessings that are meant for you. How to perform the ritual, a step-by-step guide. Performing this ritual is simple, yet incredibly profound. Here's how you can do it. 1. Set your intention. Before you begin, it's essential to set a clear intention. In Buddhism, intention is the foundation of all actions. Whether you're seeking clarity, financial abundance, love, or simply peace of mind, be specific about what you want to invite into your life. Take a few moments to breathe deeply, quiet your mind, and focus on what you wish to manifest. 2. Prepare the salt water. Take a clean bowl and fill it with water. Add a generous amount of sea salt or Himalayan salt, stirring until it dissolves. As you mix the salt, visualize the water being charged with positive energy. Imagine it glowing with light, ready to absorb any negativity and replace it with blessings. 3. Write your name. On a small piece of paper, write your full name. As you write, be mindful of the energy you're putting into it. Think about your life, your journey, and all the experiences that have brought you to this point. Your name represents your entire being, and this ritual is about honoring that. 4. Submerge the paper. Place the paper with your name into the salt water. As you do so, say aloud or silently, "I release all that no longer serves me. I invite blessings, abundance, and peace into my life." Feel the weight of your words and imagine any negative energy being pulled out of your life, replaced by light and positivity. 5. Let it sit overnight. Leave the bowl of salt water with your name in it overnight. During this time, the salt water is working to cleanse your energy field, drawing out negativity, and making space for new blessings to come in. In the morning, take the bowl and pour the water outside onto the earth, returning the energy to nature. In Buddhist practice, rituals are about more than just the physical act. They are a reflection of inner transformation. By performing this saltwater ritual, you are not only cleansing your energetic field, but also creating an intentional shift in your mind and spirit. You are actively choosing to let go of attachments, fears, and blockages that keep you from experiencing abundance. Salt is symbolic of purification, but also of preservation. In this context, it preserves the purity of your intention, ensuring that your desires are aligned with your highest good. The act of placing your name in salt water is a powerful declaration that you are ready to embrace change, to allow blessings to flow, and to let go of the limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. While this ritual is deeply spiritual, it also has a scientific aspect when you consider the energy dynamics involved. Water is known to carry memory. It holds vibrational energy and can be influenced by intention. When you speak your intentions into water, you are programming it with a specific frequency. Salt, being a crystal, further amplifies this energy, helping to cleanse and release negativity. Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese researcher, famously showed how words, thoughts, and intentions could change the molecular structure of water. Positive words created beautiful, symmetrical crystals, while negative words resulted in chaotic and disordered formations. By placing your name, your energy, into salt water charged with positive intention, you are essentially reprogramming your energetic signature to align with blessings and abundance. In Buddhism, abundance isn't just about material wealth. True abundance is a state of mind, a recognition of the richness of the present moment, of the boundless potential within and around you. When you open yourself up to blessings, you are not merely asking for money or material gain. You are asking for the freedom that comes from inner peace, wisdom, and a heart full of compassion. The salt water ritual is a reminder that the universe is abundant and that you are deserving of that abundance. However, to truly receive, you must first be willing to let go. This is the essence of Buddhist teachings, non-attachment. By releasing your attachment to negativity, fear, and limiting beliefs, you create space for the universe to fill that void with something far greater: opportunities, joy, love, and unexpected blessings. This simple practice has led to incredible changes for many people. Take, for instance, the story of Maya, a woman who felt stuck in her career and personal life. She performed the saltwater ritual with the intention of releasing her fears around financial instability and inviting opportunities for growth. Within weeks, she received an unexpected job offer that not only paid more, but also aligned perfectly with her passion for helping others. Or consider Ravi, who used this ritual to heal his relationships. By placing his name in salt water and focusing on releasing past resentments, he found that his interactions with family members began to change. There was more understanding, more patience, and a sense of harmony that had been missing for years. These stories are not coincidences. They are examples of what happens when you align your energy with the flow of the universe, when you let go of the blocks and make room for blessings to enter your life. One of the key aspects of this ritual is faith. In Buddhism, faith isn't about blindly believing. It's about trusting the process, trusting the universe, and trusting yourself. When you perform the saltwater ritual, you must do so with a heart full of trust. Trust that you are deserving of blessings, trust that the universe is abundant, and trust that by releasing negativity, you are making room for something beautiful to enter your life. Surrender is also crucial. Surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means letting go of the need to control every outcome, of the fear that things won't work out. It means opening yourself to possibilities that you may not even have imagined. By placing your name in salt water, you are surrendering your burdens, your worries, and your fears to the universe, and in doing so, you allow the flow of blessings to come to you effortlessly. In today's fast-paced, chaotic world, we often forget to connect with ourselves, to cleanse our energy, and to align our intentions with our higher purpose. The saltwater ritual is a simple yet profound way to take a step back from the chaos, to reconnect with your inner self, and to invite positive change. The modern world is filled with distractions, fears, and constant noise. This practice offers a moment of stillness, a moment to focus on what truly matters, to release what no longer serves you, and to invite the blessings that are waiting for you. It's about finding a sense of peace amidst the noise, and about realizing that you have the power to create the life you desire. If you've made it this far, it's because you're ready for a change. You're ready to release the past, to let go of the negativity that has been weighing you down, and to open the doors of blessings that are waiting for you. The saltwater ritual is simple, but its effects can be profound if done with intention, faith, and an open heart. So take a moment today, prepare your salt water, write your name, and set your intention. Allow yourself to believe in the magic of simplicity, in the power of ancient wisdom, and in the boundless abundance of the universe. Remember, the key to receiving is letting go. Let go, trust, and watch as the doors of blessings open wide for you. Comment, "I will be successful," to let me know you have reached the end of this video. If this message resonates with you, please like this video and share it with others who could benefit from this powerful ritual. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and spiritual practices that can help you live a life of abundance, peace, and fulfillment. Remember, the universe is abundant, and you are deserving of every blessing it has to offer. All you need to do is make space, invite, and receive.